The coronavirus outbreak has changed the world. The University of Hong Kong rose to the challenge to find solutions through our wide range of expertise and global collaborations. Testing and detection. Researchers from the HKU Li Ka-shing Faculty of Medicine examined and assessed the size and epidemiological characteristics of the epidemic at its earliest stages in Wuhan. This would help researchers everywhere begin to understand the fast-spreading pandemic. After the new virus was named COVID-19, HKU was the first to publish data on person-to-person transmission of COVID-19 in a familial cluster of patients diagnosed and managed at the HKU Shenzhen Hospital. Can you catch COVID-19 twice? Our microbiology experts were the first to document that the immunity gained from recovery may be short-lived, and that human reinfection is possible. Thus, repeated vaccination may be needed in the long term, just like for common forms of influenza. Drawing on their expertise and experience, especially from handling the 2003 SARS outbreak in Hong Kong, our School of Public Health researchers quickly developed tests for COVID-19. These tests developed by HKU are being used in more than 70 countries and territories worldwide. HKU's real-time dashboard is the only instantaneous situation report that tracks how contagious COVID-19 is in Hong Kong, and the probability of an infected case passing the virus to another. Our statisticians have integrated radiography and computer vision into an online diagnostic system for COVID-19, based on AI technologies and chest CT scans. This open-source CT scanning system is particularly effective amongst those with few or no symptoms, and is faster, highly accurate, and easy to use. Fever is a common symptom of COVID-19 patients. Researchers in our Department of Mechanical Engineering have developed a low-cost non-intrusive thermography fever detection system, which can be run on portable devices with a small thermal camera plug-in. Reducing infection. How long does it take for the coronavirus to lose its infectivity? Will traces of it stay on surfaces even after cleaning? An HKU expert addressed these public concerns, and a handy Q&A site was created to share the latest findings about the duration of infectivity of the coronavirus, and how we can protect ourselves by carrying out thorough and effective disinfection. Using a golden Syrian hamster SARS-CoV-2 model, our researchers found that surgical mask partitions significantly reduced transmission by respiratory or airborne droplets. At the HKU Business School, researchers have developed a new method to track the spread of COVID-19 by using big data and a risk assessment model for early identification in high-risk locales. These form a valuable toolkit for public health experts and policymakers in implementing infectious disease control during new outbreaks. Our Department of Mechanical Engineering research team collaborated with mainland universities and research institutions to examine key COVID-19 cases in different settings and countries. Together, they examined a series of epidemiological and environmental studies on COVID-19 cases in mainland China and Tokyo, and revealed the likelihood of airborne transmission and the role of indoor ventilation in the spreading process. The quest for a vaccine. Our state key laboratory for emerging infectious diseases partnered with the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations to join the global race to develop a COVID-19 vaccine. Researchers from our School of Biomedical Sciences, Department of Microbiology and Department of Medicine, in collaboration with mainland institutions, conducted a study for mining immunogenic information from COVID-19 patients in Hong Kong and explored the feasibility of a rational design of a COVID-19 vaccine. Supporting students and schools. HKU's fight against COVID-19 means supporting teaching and learning as well, and not just at the university. We've provided significant online support for HKU students and other secondary schools to ensure that their journey of education continues. and new schemes are continuously being launched to find and provide solutions for the different educational challenges created by the pandemic. Stand strong. HKU fights the outbreak with you.